everybody, I'm Esther. Welcome to my Pilates class. For those of you that don't know what Pilates is, it's a full body workout. It requires a lot of centering, a lot of core strength, a lot of limb strength, nice flow of movements, nice flow of breathing. So lots of strength, lots of power, guys. Okay, so we're going to start off with a warm-up. Here we go. So you're going to inhale, big one, and exhale. And again, find that lovely breath. Inhale, big one. Exhale. Give me two more like that. Inhale, big. Engage in your core all the time. One more time. Big one. Inhale, big. Exhale. Guys, breathe in again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold it halfway here. Take it over to the side. Give it a nice lateral flexion to the side. And you're going to circle the arm forward 3 times. Twice. One more time. Come back to center. Let's take a big breather in again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice lateral flexion to the side. Engage in your core. And again, creating some mobility in that shoulder. Just circle. Nice and smooth. And back up. Hold it here. Now from there we're going to just go 2 twists to the side. Back to center. Remember to keep the shoulders away from your ears. Keeping the hips as square as possible. Pull that belly button up and in towards your spine. We do that again. Let's go. 1 and 2. Nice strong abs. Keeping the knees soft. 2 more. We do that one more time. Last one. And back to center. Let's circle the arms back. Inhale. Exhale is your circle. Inhale. Exhale is your circle. Just creating some mobility in those shoulders. Take it forward now. Reverse it. Turn out your back, inhale, exhale, lift, and again, twice more, inhale, exhale, lift, one more time, inhale, exhale, lift. Great. Okay, from there we're going to do some roll downs. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Tuck your tailbone under, navel pulled in, stay nice and tall. We're going to tuck your chin in, and we're going to start rolling down. From the upper back, middle back, all the way down to your lower back. Keep the knees soft if you have to, otherwise if you can, extend them. Feel the lovely stretch in the hamstrings. And from there we're going to roll up, vertebra at a time. Keep your chin tucked in, vertebra at a time guys. Yes, feeling that lovely stretch in your back. And back up. Let's do that again. So roll your chin, tuck your chin in, start rolling down, straight legs, or you can keep your knees bent. It's entirely up to you according to your flexibility. Inhale at the bottom, exhale, slowly coming up, vertebra at a time. Stack your shoulders on top of hips, and then lastly, your head. We do that one more time. That's one more time. Let's go. Are you with me? Are we good? Yes. Preparing ourselves for the warm of the head. Okay, from here, just walk the hands forward, feet a little bit wider apart, and we're just going to wiggle hips from side to side. So really loosening up the hip area. From side to side. Engage your core. Let's do 3, 2 more, 1 more time, and let's bend the knees this time and curl up, curl up. Great. Okay, so we're going to come to the edge of our mat and we're going to walk into our plank. So same thing here. We're going to tuck your chin in, engage your core, start rolling back down, slowly, vertebra at a time, ripping through your spine into our forward plank. Hold it here. Keep that straight line. Be careful not to collapse. And be careful not to lift the tailbone up in the air. So you have a straight line from your shoulders to your hip to your ankle. Your neck is not hanging. Keep your neck aligned with your spine. Let's walk it back. So there's no impact on that neck. And again, we roll up. We do that again one more time. Roll down. Ripping through the spine, vertebra at a time. Walk once. Twice, 3 times, 4 times. Hold it. Don't sink into your shoulders, guys. Push away. Stay nice and tall. And we walk it back. Walk it back. Yes. Curl up. Okay. Slightly different this time. So your feet are going to be wide. So we're going to go into a wide walk. Okay. So feet on the edge of your mat. Engage your core. Roll down again. So your hands are nice and wide. Now the eyes of your mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold that straight plank. Now you're going to place your hand in, other hand in. Same thing with the feet. Bring the foot in, bring the other foot in. Keep the straight line, don't sink navel to spine. Find that lovely leg. Take it out of the hand first. Other hand. Foot. Other foot. And let's walk it back. We're going to do that one more time. So we're really preparing the body. Really nice and warm now. Should be feeling it. Roll down one more time. Vertebra at a time. Creating that nice long line with your body. Hold it there. Are we good? Are we feeling strong? Walk it in with your hands, with your feet, keeping the hips as stable as possible. Hold it there, keep that straight line. Take it out again. Try and keep the hips as stable as possible. Feet now, and we walk it back. Clap. Oh yes. Okay guys, so now we can take it down to the mat. So everybody, let's take it down. Guys, if you need extra padding, you can fold your mat, or you can have a towel. Place it under your elbow. So this is the advanced version, okay, with straight legs. If you're not happy on your elbow, you can go all the way down, rest your head on your arm, even with your towel underneath you, just to protect your neck. Otherwise, we're going to stay here, elbow in line with your shoulders, the legs are nice and straight, hand forward for balance and support. So guys, keep the hips square, shoulders square, don't fall forward, don't fall back. Make sure your legs are long and straight, just bring your feet forward slightly. From here, we're going to lift the legs up and down. So length, find length in those legs. Up. And again, breathe out as you lift. So we're going to inhale, exhale, lift. So guys, remember to hold it at the top, squeeze at the top of that movement, really working into those oblique muscles. Same principle here, don't fall into that shoulder, stay lifted. Engage your ribs, draw those ribs in towards you. And again, find that lovely flow of breath. Again, keep it going. That's it. So that upper body does not move. So you guys got to really think about what you're doing. Nice strong movement. Let's do that twice more. 2 to go, navel to spine with those core muscles. One more time. Now I'm going to change it slightly. We're going to lift. We're going to slide it forward with control. You're going to slide it back. Oh yes, those core muscles are feeling it. And again, let's lift. Take it forward, take it back, and down. So when you come down, try to keep the feet off the mat. Strong. Yes. Lifting. So don't hold your breath. So you're going to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale again. Inhale, exhale. Stay nice and lifted. Twice more only. 2 more. Nice long lifts. One more time. Last one. Now we're going to hold it there. We're going to lower and lift at this angle. Lower and lift. Find the length in those legs. Inhale, lowering. Exhale, lifting. Nice and strong, nice and controlled. Keeping the shoulder away from your ears. Down, up. We've got 3 left, guys. 2 more. Keep engaging your core. 2 more. One more time. Well done. You're going to bend your knees. Keep the one knee bent in front of you, bend the other knee behind you. Place your hand to the side and let's stretch it over. Feel the lovely stretch in the side of you. Hold that stretch. And I'm going to take it over to the other side, lengthening. Remember, Pilates is always about length. The stretch is not here. Length, nice and full. So we're going to stay on this side. While we're here, we're going to stay here. So this time we're going to lift up. Same thing, elbow in line with the shoulder. You're going to lift the hips up. You're going to extend that arm up. And from here, we're going to lower, lift. And again, lower and lift. So guys, same principle. Hips are square, shoulders are square. So as you come down, I want you to control that down movement. So you're not just plonking your whole weight down. And again, extend and lengthen. Keep those ribs engaged. Draw those ribs up towards you. Extend and lengthen. And again. We do 2 more. Last 2. Let's go 2 more. Okay, now we're going to hold it here. Lower that arm above your head and little pulses up and down. Stay nice and square. Stay lifted. And again, up and down we go. Keep breathing. So we do 8 more like this. Last 8, pointing your toe. Find that length. Nice long legs. Last 4. Last 3. 2 more. Hold it there. Place your hand behind your head. Bring your toes together. Watch that position. Very important. Be careful not to fall. You want to activate that whole area. Now we're going to lower, close the leg, open, extend. And again, toes together. Close, open, and extend. And again. Let's go. Close, open. The hips don't move. Nothing moves except that leg. So keep that square. Keep the square hips. Can we do 4 more? Last 4. Woo. Should be working your upper back and shoulders at the same time. So this requires a lot of strength. I hope you're with me still. Woo. Guys, keep it going. Inhale, exhale, inhale. 1 more time. Last one. Well done. Okay, gently come down. Okay, we're going to do some abdominals in between. Give that arm a bit of a break and we'll take it over to the other side. I'm going to face you sideways so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I want your legs nice and long. If you're not able to, modify by keeping your knees bent. Nice long body. We'll extend the arms in front of you, palms down, and we're going to lean back. And we're going to pump the arms 8 times. Pull in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Bend your elbows. Lift the knee up. So your knee must touch your elbows. This is so great for your core. And again, we're going to pump the arms again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, nice and strong as you pump those arms. Pull in, engage your core. Breathe out. Inhale. Breathe out. Let's do that again. Pump again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, shoulders away from your ears. So the higher you lift that knee up towards your elbows, the harder it is. The more you'll feel it in your core. And again, let's pump the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, and if your back is sensitive, don't lean too far back. And if you're very strong, you can go back a little bit further. And 1 more time. Okay, let's inhale, big one. Exhale. Round the body over your knees. Hold it. Because we're going to do everything on the other side. What we do to one side, we do to the other. Great. Awesome, guys. Okay, so let's start all over again. Let's lie down on the other side. Make sure your legs are nice and long. Engage your core. Remember what I said. You can lie down if you need to. Okay, otherwise, straight legs. Just bring your toes forward just a little bit. Let it go just beyond your hips. Nothing moves. Stay lifted. Engage your ribs. Stay nice and stacked. Okay, up and down we lift. Let's go. So guys, don't just lift up and down. When you lift, I want you to hold for a split second. And think about the muscles you're working. Find length in those legs. A nice flow of breath. So the deeper the exhalation, guys, the deeper the contraction. The more those muscles contract. So don't lean back when we do this, okay? Don't lean back, very important. So always watch your form. Technique, very important. And again. Oh yes. We've got 2 left. I hope you guys are good. I'm feeling this. I hope you're feeling this as well. Okay, now we do the little combination. We're going to slide it forward. We're going to lift, slide it forward. Nothing moves except the legs. And take it down. And again. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, down. A few more to go. Feel the tension in your core. Keep the activation in those abdominal muscles going. Okay, so we have 4 more like this. So we're not sinking into that shoulder, yes? You'll engage everything. Draw those ribs up towards you. Ribs and abs are closed in. 1 more time. And hold it here. Lower and lift at this angle. Let's go. Down and up. Keeping this 45-degree angle. So nothing moves except the legs move up and down. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale up. So lift as high as you can and squeeze at the top of that movement. Woo, okay guys, how many we got left? I think 2 left. 2 left. Oh yes. 1 more time. Well done. Bend your knees. Keep the front knee bent in front of you, bend the other knee behind you, and we're going to stretch it over. Inhale, exhale. You'll find you can't go very far on this side, but really feel the stretch on the side of you. Hold it there. And then stretch it over to the other side. Good. Find your length. So the stretch is not sharp, can't feel anything. Really lengthen. The purpose of a stretch is to lengthen away. Yes, really feel it. Awesome. Okay, so back into that position again, guys. So on your elbow again. Elbow in line with the shoulder again. Stay lifted. Ribs engaged. Hips are stacked. Shoulders are stacked. Keep that arm up above you, and we're going to lift the bottom hip off the mat, squeeze at the top of that movement, and gently control the body weight on the way down. And again, inhale, exhale, lengthen. Yes. Feel your body weight at the top. Lengthen away. Don't forget that core engagement. Keep that activation in your core all the time. Great. So nice smooth transition. I'm coming down nice and gently, feeling the body weight on the way down. And again. We have 2 left, last 2. Now we're going to stay up, guys. Lengthen the arm and the leg in opposition to each other. Little pulses. Try not to drop that leg below hip level. Try, when you come down, to bring it back to hip level. Strong abs. Abs are engaged. Don't sink. Ooh, little pulses here. Squeezing. Feel that bottom thigh working. Yes. So we have 4 more like this. We have 4. We have 3. 2 more, guys. Keep the neck aligned with the spine. 1 more. Now we're going to change. Place your hand behind your head. Toes together. Let's go into that clam series. Okay, so you're going to close. You're going to lift and squeeze. You're going to extend. And close again. Let's go. Close. Lift. So guys, think of each movement. Squeeze those inner thighs. Squeeze the hips and outer thighs. Extend and lengthen. Again. Inhale. Exhale. It's so easy to sink into that shoulder. So be careful. Stay lifted. So as you extend that leg away, I want you holding it up for a split second. And again, keep it going. Inhale. Exhale. Feel those core muscles working. Feel the shoulders and upper back, hips and outer thighs. 1 more, guys. 1 more. Well done. And come down. Okay, we're going to do some more core work again. So I'm going to turn again. So same thing here. Straight legs. Find length in that body. Find a nice strong center. Or if you're not happy, you can bend your knees. So extend the legs nice and tall. Extend the arms in front of you. And we're going to lean back as much as you can. Finding that activation in your core. Shoulders away from your ears. Are we going to pulse it forward and back? Tiny little pulses. Yes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze. 6, 7, and 8. Change. Bend the elbows now. Lift the knees up to tap your elbows. Shh. If you can't go all the way up, even a smaller movement is fine. If you can't do both legs at the same time, you do single legs. Extend again. Pulsing again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Knees to elbows. Let's lift. And down. Try and keep your knees together. Squeeze your knees together. Keep the activation of those inner thighs. Let's do this twice more. Woo, guys. How we doing? I hope you're good. Yes. I hope you're with me still. I hope you're having fun as well. Okay, let's take it up again. So we're going to work hard, but we also have to enjoy it as well. Otherwise, what's the point? Can we do this one more time? Yes? Extend. Let's go. Pulsing, pulsing. Keep the core activation. Lengthen the legs. Woo, 2 more. Okay, bend the elbows and again. Lift. Keep squeezing your knees together. Working those adductor muscles, keep the activation, those adductor muscles. 1 more time. And we're going to breathe in, guys. And you're going to roll over to your knees. Whew. And just hold. Enjoy this little recovery break. We're going to move on. Guys, if you need a water break, you take it. I'm going to take a little water break, okay? Give me 1 second. Please keep yourselves hydrated. And then we can carry on again. 1 second. Awesome. Okay, So we're going to go into a plank. Plank, plank, plank. So what we're going to do here, we're going to hover the knees of the mat. Okay, so from here, you're going to we're going to go on all fours, wrists in line with shoulders, knees in line with your hips. So be careful not to do that or to be too close. Okay, so tabletop position, you're going to tuck your toes under and you're going to lift the knees just slightly off the mat. Now, if what I'm going to do next is too difficult, you just stay with this. You're just going to stay with this, okay? So from there, you're going to point your toes, tap the floor, come back in. So can you see my tailbone stays down, alternate. As you extend that leg, I want you to find length. Shh. Engage your core. Your hips are level. Hips are level. We're not twisting from side to side or falling over. And same thing, push away. Push away. If you're not happy doing this, just keep your tabletop position. And again, guys, let's go again. Go. Point your toes. Point your toes. So really feeling the shoulders working, feeling the upper back, feeling your midsection, that lower body. Hold it here. Guys, from here we're going to take it out to the side, bend that knee over to the other side. Push away from your hands, from the floor. Push away from the floor. Again, shh. So can you see how level my hips stay? So as I lift my leg to the side, I am not falling over. I'm going to show you now. On my supporting leg, I stay nice and level. At the top of that movement, squeeze. At the top of that movement, squeeze. Oh yes, 2 more. Let's do 2 more. Let's do 1 more, 1 more. You guys sit back and hold it there. Next. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to go into a reverse tabletop position now. What I want you to do, I want you to keep your elbows as close as possible so your elbows aren't wide, your fingertips are facing you. We're going to go back as if we're on the beach. Yes, but we're not, okay? We're working out. So make sure your fingertips are facing you, elbows close together. Draw your elbows together. Watch me sinking now. That's not good. Okay, stay lifted. Watch your neck. So just tuck your chin in a little bit. Keep your neck aligned with your spine. Your heels are in line with your knees, so we're not too wide. From here, we're going to lift up, stay up. Keep the hips lifted as much as possible. So we're working at the whole of the posterior chain, guys. So you're going to lift the one knee, you're going to extend it, you're going to lower, flex your foot as you slide it out to the side, keeping the hips level, come back up, and change legs. Just careful not to sink, stay lifted, let's go. Up, lengthen away, flex as you take it to the side, keep that hip down, back to center, lift it up, and down again. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stay lifted, squeeze the glutes, squeeze, work those hammies, work your core, work that upper back. Sorry guys. And shoulders. Okay, let's do that again. Lift, up, lengthen away, side, back to center, lift, and down. And again, lift. So guys, really watch your form here. It's slow, it's controlled. Keep drawing that navel up and in towards you. Keep going again. 1, 2, and down. Flex to the side, hips are level as you do that. Lifting up, don't sink into those shoulders. So working that whole posterior chain. Lots of muscles working here. Take it up and change. Okay guys, shake it loose. Shake it loose. Right. From here, this time your fingertips are still facing you. We're going to take it all the way up. Okay, from here you're going to lower, tap your hand towards the opposite foot. Engage your core, stay as level as possible. Come back up again. Lower. So focus on your balance here. Lower and reach. Whew. Lower and reach. If you're not happy with that, you're going to go down, lift and squeeze. So you can modify it this way. Because obviously this requires a lot of balance. Okay, a lot of balance. And lift. Guys, down. Come guys, keep going. We're almost done with our workout. Almost done. Keep it going. Engage your core. Lift up. So lots of muscles working here as well. Keep it going. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. 4, more left. Let's go. Shh. And again. Breathe out. Lift, lift, lift. One more time. Last one. Come down. Again. Inhale, big one. Roll over to your knees. Okay, guys. Up again. This time your hands can face upwards. Fingertips facing upwards. We go up again. Reverse tabletop again. And we're going to twist. We're going to thread the needle. Take it over to the other side. Really work it into those oblique muscles. Try and keep your heels down. Try and stay lifted as much as possible. And again. Inhale, exhale. And again, inhale, exhale. Keep it going, guys. Now, obviously, if you have more time at home and you want to do more of these, then you do more. And last four, we're going to twist. Okay, and you're going to extend opposite hand, opposite foot. Twist the other way now. Thread the needle. Other side, opposite hand, opposite foot. Just two more, guys. Let's go. Thread the needle. Okay, touch opposite hand, opposite foot. One more time. Thread the needle. Up. Well done, guys. Okay, we're going to turn around. We're going to do a few minutes of cool down now. We could get carried away and do a lot more. But next time, let's breathe in. Breathe out over your knees, over your knees. Hold it there. Guys, flex your feet now. Feel the stretch in the hamstrings. Lower back, lengthen the spine. Change. Cross, lift. Stay nice and lifted. Lovely stretch in the back. And we're going to change sides. So remember, also at home, if you need to stretch longer, you stretch longer. Hold it there. Change again. Feet apart. Walk your fingertips forward. Hold it there. We're going to come up. We're going to start uncurling again, ripping through the spine, slowly coming up. Slowly, slowly, taking shoulders on top of hips, last in your head. Place your hands in front of you and lengthen. Stretching up the back and shoulders. And we're going to stretch it back. Right, guys, feel the stretch in your chest area. I'm going to place the hands on the top of us and we're going to take it over to the side. Careful, watch those hips. Keep the hips nice and wide. Back to center. Let's stretch it over to the other side. Inhale, exhale, over to the other side. Hold it there. Guys, we're going to add a big breath in. Give a big breath in. Big breath out. One more time. Big breath in. And last one out. Thank you, everybody. I hope to see you next time in my next session. Hope you had a fantastic time.